Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use File Explorer in Windows 10 only way. Open File Explorer from the taskbar or Start, then learn Quick Access, Navigation Pane, and Address Bar tips. Use the search box to find files fast and refine with file type or size filters. Right-click files to copy, move, rename, and view properties. Use details and preview panes for faster file context and to avoid opening unknown files. Start by organizing folders with clear names and consistent structure. Create folders, drag files, and use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and Ctrl+Shift+N to speed tasks. Pin frequent folders to quick access for one-click reach. Use the View menu to toggle list, details, or icons for best visibility. Sort and group by date, size, or type to spot duplicates and large files to clean up storage. Empty recycle bin to reclaim space after deleting. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation. Life is short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long computer sessions. They keep feet comfortable whether you're fixing files or hunting backups, and they last longer than cheap pairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Access network locations and map drives for shared folders on other PCs or NAS devices. Right-click a folder and choose Map Network Drive to assign a letter and reconnect at sign-in. Use the Home tab for copy, move, and select tools, and the Share tab to send files by email or zip. Enable file history or use backup tools to protect important files and restore previous versions quickly. Remember to check permissions when sharing folders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.